Welcome to video tutorial number 9, how to properly capitalize certain sections in your chapter. If you haven't done so already, please take a look at video tutorial number 1, which will walk you through using the chapter template. There are other great videos in this series, and each of these will give you a bit of information on how to properly format different sections of your chapter so that when you turn it into us, it's near print ready and we won't need to send it back to you and ask you to revise it. So if you will take the time to look at all these videos with your chapter pulled up in front of you, this will save you a lot of time later on in revisions. Alright, in this particular video tutorial, we're going to talk about capitalization. There are certain capitalization rules depending on where you're at in the chapter. The title of your chapter must be properly capitalized. And by properly capitalized, that means that the first word of first letter of the first word and first letter of the last word of your main title and the first letter of the first word and first letter of the last word of your subtitle need to be capitalized. Also, any nouns must be capitalized. Verbs must be capitalized. Pronouns such as I, you, they, we also need to be capitalized. Small words such as the, of, and, by, for, things of that nature do not need to be capitalized unless they are the first or last word of the main title, the first or the last word of the subtitle. These capitalization rules hold true for every area that requires capitalization in your chapter. These areas are your subheading titles. They must be properly capitalized. Any hyphenated words, the second portion of the hyphenated word also needs to be capitalized. All subheadings need to be capitalized. In the header section, where the title of your chapter appears, that must be capitalized. Tables and images are a little bit different. They do not need to be capitalized unless you just simply wish to capitalize them. This image caption is not capitalized. Instead, the title reflects what the image says. But as we discussed in the last video tutorial on formatting notes and bibliographies, your notes and bibliography entries must be properly capitalized. That means that every title that you use in your notes section and in your bibliography section must be capitalized. Now this is regardless of how it appears in original print. And then down here at your bio section, there's really no capitalization rules on that other than if you use titles that of works that you have written or edited, those also need to be properly capitalized, just like you would any other area in your chapter. And that concludes this video tutorial on how to properly capitalize the areas of your chapter that need it. The last tutorial in this series will be proofreading, and we'll show you some extra small things that just simple rules that we have as far as our house style goes. Thank you very much for watching.